In this week's news, Dyson introduced the new 360 Vis-Nav robot vacuum cleaner. It has increased motor speed of 110,000, which should be 6 times stronger than other vacuum robots. It can use the brush for cleaning as well as using a soft nylon for hard floors, and uses stiff nylon bristles for carpets. Also can clean edges and vacuum, and can be used for 50 minutes before it automatically goes back to the charging dock. The previous version costs $1,200. This version probably will have a similar price. Mercedes introduced the Apple car key to its new E-Class model. This car key is useful for opening the car door without using a physical key, and you will also be able to include the key in your Apple wallet, and you can use the digital key to send it to up to 16 people by AirDrop or iMessage, and you will be able to set the key with specific rights, for example, only to open the door but not drive the car. It can completely replace the regular key. All you need is to have internet access when you set it up, and after that it will be also able to work using UWB and Bluetooth together. In other car news, BMW introduced its electric 5 Series, which has a range of up to 500 kilometers. The i5 eDrive 40 has 335 horsepower, and the sporty i5 M60 has 600 horsepower, and the latter will be able to go from 1 to 100 kilometers an hour in 3.8 seconds. And both cars are limited to 120 miles per hour. The i5 can accept up to 205 kilowatt of fast charging, which will take the battery from 10 to 80% in 30 minutes. The i5 will also have the new hands-free highway driving feature, a redesigned infotainment, and also a built-in gaming system. And you'll also be able to stream video while the car is parked. The price starts at $67,000, and the M5 version starts at $85,000. Protonmail, the email provider which offers end-to-end encryption, is providing encrypted password manager for free. I think it's similar like 1Password. They previously made the end-to-end encrypted email, and now they offer a password manager called Protonpass, and the company is based in Switzerland, so all the data from the cloud is saved on their own servers in Switzerland. And the password manager also features end-to-end encryption, where you can save login, username, web addresses, and passwords. And even Proton themselves cannot view your stored login information. WhatsApp recently introduced a useful feature when you are moving from one phone to another phone, and you can transfer your chat history simply by from the WhatsApp app itself. By going to the old phone, you click on settings, I assume settings in WhatsApp, and then click chats, and then tap chats transfer, and then it will generate a QR code on your old phone, which you can scan on the new phone from the either the WhatsApp app or the camera, and then the chat history from the old phone will be transferred to the new WhatsApp on the new phone, and the data will be encrypted while it's being transferred. And apparently WhatsApp also has additional new security features, such as silencing unknown callers, as well as locking your private chats so that someone else using your phone cannot see those chats without, I assume, entering the PIN code or using the Face ID. Porsche introduced a concept electric hypercar called the Porsche Mission X, and it looks like this, and it's an all-electric car similar like the Porsche 918 Spider. It has a 900 volt system, which is twice as fast as the Taycan Turbo S, and the doors they sweep forward up when you open them, so it looks like that when you open the doors. The inside looks like this. It got 20-inch wheels on front, 21-inch in the back. It has a steering yoke instead of a wheel. It looks a bit like a car from the 80s. On the rear there's the Porsche logo as well as a red LED strip. And the battery bank is in the middle of the car, just behind the seats, similar to mid-engine cars. Anker introduced new battery packs with LED displays, which features 27,000 mAh. They are very new, so I don't think they are in the shops yet. The new collection sports a dual USB slot and one Type A port. It can provide 250 watt of power from the 3 ports, so you will be able to power 2 laptops at the same time, and it will cost $179. They will also sell a slightly less powerful battery pack which provides 200 watt power from a 20,000 mAh battery, and also a smaller version with 12,000 mAh, which provides 130 watt of power. All three will have a LED display with the most important information on it, such as how many hours you have left, and power output, and battery level. Umbrel used to be like a node software which you can use to install a Bitcoin node on a Raspberry Pi computer which you build yourself, or on a Linux computer, I think. But now recently Umbrel is offering an all-in-one solution, so you don't have to build your own node. you can just buy a ready-made Umbrel computer which already has the operating system installed with the node, so all you have to do is just plug it in and then you have your own Bitcoin node, right? So you don't have to rely on external node when you want to send and receive Bitcoin. You just connect it to your personal node, and you also help support the Bitcoin network. And it costs around $700 and they ship worldwide. It's even free shipping, and Umbrel will be built in. You have your own data, storage, privacy, and you have a lightning fast performance, and it saves your data on your server. It has a Intel quad-core CPU with 16GB of RAM, 2TB SSD, 1000GB Ethernet, and 3 USB 3 ports, and a quiet fan to keep it cool. You can get up and running in 30 seconds. You just have to connect the Umbrel to your home router and connect the power, and then you can start. And then this is how it looks, the interface when you open the... Ooh, it even has transmission. So I guess this is like some kind of customized Linux, but it's the Umbrel operating system, which is specifically for running a Bitcoin node. So here I guess it's the Bitcoin app, and you also at the same time have a Lightning node, so you can send and receive Lightning through your own node, so you don't pay any fees. It has even transmission, so it means you can download torrents, and I guess it also has a browser, and it seems you can use it also like as a media device, like for watching, if you have it connected to a TV, or you can use it to view movies. I'm not sure, but Plex, I think it's a media player, so it must have some kind of... Oh, it also you can use it as a nostr relay. Oh, it's amazing. You can use it as a Bitcoin node, Lightning node, and nostr relay. So it has all of the favorite Bitcoin software features, and you can run it from your own server. So for those who don't want to build their own Umbrel with the Raspberry Pi, you just can order this Umbrel ready plug and play computer, so you don't have to set anything up. And it's very new, they just brought it out, so it's the most user-friendly Bitcoin node that you can get without installing anything yourself. So you can have your private cloud, save your passwords, your photos and videos, and you even can discover new apps for the device. These are a sample of the apps that you can run on Umbrel. But if you don't want to get the Umbrel plug-and-play device, you can install Umbrel yourself if you have enough technical knowledge. You just need a Raspberry Pi, enough storage, enough memory, and then but installation might be you need to read up on how to install it, but it is possible. And it's quite fast. Volkswagen is testing its camping car called Electric ID as a self-driving car in Austin, Texas. They have 10 Electric ID VW buses using mobile eye technology, which also includes LiDAR, so it should be better than Tesla's camera-only self-driving technology. And they will be testing it in Austin, and they will be launching the commercial fleet of autonomous vehicles in another 2 years, or they're planning to, or another 3 years. Finally, Sony introduced a portable home audio system which you can place anywhere where you are watching your screen. So they are portable and they run on batteries, so you don't need to pull any cables. You just set up the speaker system where you want it to be, and the speakers will create a 3D spatial sound area according to where you place them. It's called the Sony HT-AX7 home theater system, and it costs $500, and they will start shipping on July 18.